Is your Honda not starting like mine? Well, this is what you do to your fucking shit box. Okay. So, you look up there, my neutral safety switch grommet is fucked up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bypass this motherfucker like this. Oh fuck. Right here. You're gonna put a paper clip. There should be a little grommet right there, and there should be a grommet. Where'd it go? Right there. That's broken. And I'll show you the broken one. Here is the broken one. I do not know where the other pieces are, but this is the reason why your manual Civic is probably not starting. So we're just gonna take this little paper clip right here. We're gonna modify it like this. We're gonna bypass it. This is not a permanent fix. Okay? Alright. And it's raining. What a fucking great day. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put that thing in there. Voila. Now, if I am correct, this thing should start up without pushing the clutch in. Wow. Hell yeah, buddy. Don't mind that sound. Hi, baby.